Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Want to do this quick little life update. I've just been just crazy busy. Cheers. So, let's see. The last time I managed to make it out at all was when I went to Vashon Island. And I think I did that trip, and then I started uploading the next weekend. It's just been run after that. Mostly work. So let's see. I think that was June something. I don't even remember. But the next weekend I covered a coworker at my site, both Saturday and Sunday. So I did 13 days. No. Yeah, I did 13 days in a row. And I was still called, and then I got called that night. Hey, can you come work? I'm like, actually no, because it's, you know, this weekend's my birthday. Well, that weekend was my birthday. Plus, I just did 13 on, so kind of like take a little break. Then that night, I was going to bed. And I got a text message from the company, automated text line. Hey, we got a call off. Can you do a graveyard? I'm like, hell no. Actually, I said F no, and just turned the phone off. Well, you know, closed the thing, put it, you know, threw it down, and went back to sleep. And then Saturday night, I was called to work a 12-hour graveyard shift. I'm like, no, I don't think I could stay awake for it. And also, it's, you know, it's my birthday tomorrow, so I don't want to work 6 hours into my birthday and then frickin' come home and try to sleep. It ain't happening. So I think he was disappointed because he needed coverage, but you know, I can only do so much. And then this weekend is a family reunion, so I'm busy this weekend, even though I'm not working, because, you know, family first. You know, and as my mom pointed out, this might be the last time I see some of them, so you know, got to make time for family. And the next weekend I work again, so covering, because my coworker and I had the same problem. We each have over 100 hours of PTO, paid time off, which my company lumps it all together as sick time, vacation time, personal time. That way they can make sure you effectively bend you fully over and just let's group all your time off together. Enjoy that. But with my line of work, because I would do security, we have to have someone cover your shift. So there's like one guy, maybe another person who can cover me. So I do want to start taking some time off, but we'll see. You know, got them bills to pay. Plus, we're under burn ban anyway, so if I want to go, even if I did go out, it's like it wouldn't be anywhere close to being as fun. But I just haven't had time to go to the park or anything. I think I thought this Tuesday I could get out and get a video done of these shorts that I'm wearing, and I had a focused plan. Like, all right, wake up at this time. I got an hour to kill. Throw a load in the wash, leave. Go to the park, do the video, at least get the video done, come home, throw everything in the dryer, you know, go over the stats of the item, which video is coming, as soon as I can film the damn thing, and then I can, you know, jump on the computer, edit for next day, get that sucker ready. Probably would have had it up today. Today's Friday the 19th. I would have had it up today. You guys could check out the video. Go, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, just, you know, that I got called in Tuesday because coworker was sick, so they ate something that didn't agree with him. She basically said she slept on the bathroom floor practically. So must have been some pretty gnarly food poisoning. But what are you gonna do? People get sick. But it hoses all my plans, so I had stuff I needed to do, wanted to do, and just couldn't get to any of it. So I don't know. Pity. I don't want to sound like a pity party, but it's just the truth. I mean, I don't know how else to convey it. It's like, yay, she was sick. Doesn't really sound as great. Anyway, I just want to give you this quick little what's going on, and also apologize. I'm out this weekend, out next weekend. The only thing I've been able to get to is Cast Wednesday, because I get off work Wednesday at 1:30, and I basically came straight home, but I didn't shoot anything. I'm actually gonna shoot Cast Iron Wednesday for dinner tonight, for this coming Wednesday. I got no other footage, no other videos. I don't even have anything in the archive I can dig out. I want to go fishing because I'm actually looking straight across my camera. I got my boat over there. I haven't even gotten out of the box yet because I've been so damn busy. I do have my fishing license, and I did take my birthday weekend off, and we actually did go fishing, but because it was like 90 degrees, the lake was just busy and crowded. So we're like, well, we'll walk all the way down to the end, and maybe there won't be as many people. We get down there and they gated off the road, and then they put up all this fencing all around the whole area, so you couldn't even take a side trail down to the beach to fish. It's like, what the heck? We're looking at each other. I mean, we're using strong language. We're like, I'm glad there were no kids around. We're like, you know, what the F is this? And sorry, I try to keep my family, I try to keep swearing down my channel. And so we went to another lake. We couldn't even park. It was just crowded. So it's like, damn it. So I just ended up coming home and just relaxing. Got the fan in front of me. You know, it's been hot. You know, it's been summer. I haven't been bitching, but you know, it's nice to get home and cool down. Get Mr. Fan out. Maybe you could hear it. Maybe the mic's picking it up, but you know, what are you gonna do? It is what it is. I mean, I don't want to lie to you guys and just be like, here we are. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna spin around, probably watch a movie. I think I actually got to upload this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys are doing well. Sorry again about the videos. I do appreciate those of you who say you know, I don't have to apologize, but you know, life gets busy. What am I gonna do? Unless someone knows how to make a clone. I mean, if I could make a clone, I could send one to work and one out to the woods to do fishing, hiking, or something. And then, you know, if you know how to do that, share, and I'll get on that. So, but until then, solo act. All right, take it easy. Again, I can quit rambling.